All right. We have a question before us. Is a fractional question, algebraic fractional question. Now, to solve this equation that we have here, we start with solution. Now, to clear the fraction in this equation, what we'll do is that we look for the LCM of 6 and 9. And the LCM of 6 and 9, when we get it, which is 18, we use it to multiply each of the term in this equation. By that we mean 18, open the bracket, 3x plus 2, all over 6, minus 18, open the bracket, 2x, minus 7, close the bracket, all over 9, equal to 18 times 0. Now, when we have done this, what we'll do is that we use the denominator to cancel out 18. We use the denominator in the first term and the second term to cancel out 18. By that we mean 6 here 1, 6 here 3. 9 here 1, 9 here 2. 18 times 0 is 0. So we now have 3, open the bracket, 3x plus 2, close the bracket, minus 2, open the bracket, 2x minus 7 equal to 0. So the next thing we do is to clear the bracket. By clearing the bracket, we multiply what we have outside to multiply what's inside the bracket, just like that, which is 3 times 3s is 9x, plus 3 times 2 is 6. We have this here, minus 2 times 2x is 4x, minus 4x, then minus 2 times minus 7 is actually plus 14, because minus times minus is plus, equal to 0. So after doing this, we now add the like terms together, and by that 9x minus 4x is equals to 5x, and plus 6 plus 14 is actually equals to plus 20, equal to 0. Now, we are looking for x. That is our goal. So to get x, what we'll do here is that we use the balance method. By that I mean that we subtract 20 from both sides. That is 5x plus 20 minus 20 equal to 0 minus what? 20. That's what we have. So this tells us that we now have equal to 5x equals to 0 minus 20 will be minus 20, because plus 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. So what we now have now is this. So 5 is the coefficient of x. So what we do is that we divide both sides by 5 so as to get x. Divide both sides by 5. So when we do this, we have 5x all over 5 equal to minus 20 all over 5. 5 here 1, 5 here 1. 5 here 1, 5 here 4. Now we have what? 1 divided by 1 is 1, and 1 times s is the same thing as x, equal to minus 4 divided by 1, which is the same thing as minus 4. So this is our answer.